We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Brett from Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to change the cartridge on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP, M283FDW, or CDW printer, and how to print a test page afterwards. The first step is to turn on your printer and make sure it's connected to a power source, then open the cartridge access door on the front of the printer. The second step is you're going to want to remove the old cartridges. To do this, you're going to pull on the cartridge you want to replace to release it, and set your empty cartridges to the side and move on to the next step. The third step is to install the new cartridge. To do this, take the new cartridge out of its package, then remove it from its bag and remove the seal and additional packing materials. And then go ahead and place it back in the slot. The final step is to close the cartridge access door and wait for the printer to calibrate the cartridges. This may take a few minutes. You can check the cartridge levels on the printer display or on your computer screen. Now you can print a test page to see how your new cartridge look and get some useful information about your printer. To print this page, follow these simple steps. First, you want to swipe right until you reach your supplies. Then go ahead and click on that. Then you'll see down at the bottom you have the option Report, and click on that. And it will go ahead and start printing out that page for you. That's it. You successfully changed the toner cartridge and printed a supply status page on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP, M283FDW, or CDW printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.